Boy, trading today was like, it was real interesting, y'all. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. Some of y'all gonna be in y'all emotions on this one because y'all probably gonna call me stupid. But guess what? We gonna see what's popping. Let's get to the video.
The Wealthy Empire Network.
What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, live and direct with another valuable video for you. Yo, I'm gonna first start this video off by saying thank y'all for all the support and all of that, but I gotta address something real quick. The dude that been in the comment section, y'all, with the WhatsApp scamming people, he just scammed somebody else for $1,300. Now, this is probably like the fourth, fifth, sixth person he done scammed that and been cussing me out on Instagram thinking it was me. It ain't me, bro. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna have to now disable all the comments on my videos because that's how he's getting people in the comment section. I gotta disable all my comments. For right now, I guess the Cash App stuff is out the window because now, you know, the comments is gonna be disabled because of one person. But I do want to tell that one person something, man. The Bible do say in Proverbs that, you know, wealth gained by deceit, it's sweet to a man at first, but in the end, your mouth gonna be full of gravel. And that simply means God gonna handle you better than I can. He gonna fire you up. And guess what? Your money ain't gonna last forever, so stop scamming people. But anyways, today's trading day was very interesting, y'all. I wanted to talk to y'all about trailing stop. All right, trailing stop. And y'all gonna be able to see it live on what happened and what I did. Forgot today was Monday, so you can only imagine what could have happened. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so I'm just live and direct with it, and we're gonna get straight into this video, so let's get it.
Yo, what's up, my people? You know it's time to get this paper every day. We're not playing no games. But look, today's video is gonna be about trailing stop, how to use it. Somebody else asked me that they wanted to know how to do a trailing stop, so I'm gonna show y'all. But right now, as you can see, we're not playing no games with these markets. You feel me? All the way live, baby. But yeah, so I had to wait on a certain thing to happen so I could show y'all what I do. So normally, right? Normally when you in these markets, you know, you place certain trades. Like this trade I placed, I think I ended up placing this one early, like over here. So I placed it early right here, thinking the market was gonna go ahead and drop about right in here. It didn't, kept going. Went all the way up, started coming back down. So when it did that, I placed another trade, and then that's how we got to here, right? Let me see. Yeah. So as the market starts dropping, now whenever you see the market do a pullback, that's the best time to do a trailing stop. So, you know, you see the market came down. When it does its first pullback after it's, you know, done all this extraness up here and it start going in your favor, right? You wait for the pullback right in here in this area right here. We zoom in a little bit. You wait for this area right here and let the market start shooting down, and then you do the trail. You don't want to do it too early because the market will knock you out of your trade because sometimes it does retrace back and stuff like that. So you wait, like the market's starting to, you know, drop down. I'm believing it's gonna come, you know, up and down all the way to around in here. But so far we looking good, y'all. But so I'm trying to see if the market is gonna continue down. I don't want to get in the trail just yet. You see it's starting to retrace, so we wait. But in order for you to get, oh, and for those of you who don't know what a trailing stop is, it's just a trailing stop loss. Basically, if you're in profit, you can set what they call a trailing stop to secure your profit. So for instance, if I grab this one right here, let me zoom in a little bit more. If I grab this one right here and I move it down to right here, I would secure all this profit. So this one at the top is at $183. So if I bring this all the way down to about right here, then I'll be securing at least $170, $160, $70, something like that. It'll be mine no matter what. Right now, if news hits, the market just shot up like crazy, it will probably, then I would probably be losing. So if you want to secure your profit as the market is continuing to go in your direction, you set a trailing stop. And so I will show you how to do that here in a little bit. I'm just trying to make sure the market is going to drop, continue to drop in my favor. And if it does, then I will do the trailing stop for y'all. And this is how you do it on the phone, on the laptop. If you're doing it on a laptop, all you have to do, let me zoom out a little bit. Wherever your green dotted line is, that's where you placed your trade. But all you have to do is just click that. You click the green line and you just drag it down, right? Or if you're in a buy position, you'll click it and drag it up. That's it. Like after you're in profit, but you need to wait long enough to where you get a pullback and then the market continues to go in your direction, and then you drag the trailing stop to the pullback, right? That way we know it's not coming back up in that area for a while. You secure that profit. And then if the market continues to come down, right, and it comes back up again and then drops, then you'll drag your trailing stop all the way back down to that level, right? And you just continue to drag it to each pullback level. So that way you're securing more and more profit on the way down. That way you don't have to get out the trade early if you don't want to. But some people, like, you know, you're practicing holding your trades a little longer, and that's a way that you can do it and secure profit all the way down on that, you know, on the trend that is going in. Right. So right now I am going to pause, and then if the market does what I need it to do, then I'll come back and actually do the trailing stop. So that way y'all can see it. All right. Yo, y'all, real quick. So I'm waiting on the market. You see this low right here? I'm waiting on the market to pass this low, so that way I know it's going to keep going down. Right now it's struggling. It's getting stagnant right in here, keep wicking out a lot. So that's why I haven't trailed yet. Just so y'all know, let me explain this part to y'all. The reason how I knew whether to stay in a trade or not, you see when the market was way up here, right? It comes down, forms you know, a lower high, right? Then it came up here, you know, right here, wicked out real big. So I didn't get in again until I seen the market coming back down in my direction. Because what happens is, if the market comes down here, right, goes back up here and creates a new high, and then comes down and continues to go this way, then I'm screwed. So what I waited was the market came, rejected real big right here. Let me zoom over here right quick. Boom. The market rejected real big right here, came all the way back down. It rejected good right here, started coming back down, got in, boom, right? Came down here, created a new low. Now, how do I know it created a new low? It's because it's lower than this original low right here. Created a new low. Came up, I thought it was gonna go back down right here, right? But it didn't. It kept going, but it didn't pass this high right here. So I knew it wasn't gonna keep going up. Does that make sense? So it didn't pass this previous high over here. So I knew, okay, it's still coming down, so I can hold, right? And now, same thing. Boom, come up. And now I'm trying to get it to create a new low right here, but right now it's struggling. So that's just food for thought. But if it does go ahead and break past this low, then I know it's going to continue to go. But that's why I haven't trailed yet, because if I trail and it decides to come back up here and hit it, then I'm out. You know what I mean? So I was trying to wait. So that's what I'm waiting on. So if this right here passes this low right here, then I know we good to trail. But if not, I'm not going to trail just yet. All right. All right, y'all, we back. So this is why I did not trail just yet. I did not trail. So look where we at now, profit wise. Start knocking me down. But this is why I didn't trail, because you got to wait till the market really drops all the way down. But since it didn't pass this previous low, then I had to wait. You know what I mean? So if it would have kept dropping, then I would have go ahead and, you know, trailed it. But since it did not, I got to wait. And so what I did was, this is a zone, since it didn't pass and it kept wicking out and rejecting right here, all these touches, right? Which I teach y'all about, you know, support and resistance. So that would have been a good time to get in on a quick buy, on a quick scalp. But I just drew this zone because that's where the last place where, you know, it rejected before it went up. So this was a good zone. It wouldn't pass through. Then I drew these trend lines, one here, So far the market is respecting the trend line, but if it does decide to break, this trend line and continue to go up, then I may have to take a L on this, even though I was up 300, which is, you know, that's a trading day for you. But as far as the trailing stop, I'll just explain it that way, you know, you guys will know how to do it when it's your time to do it. But I was trying to do it live, but the market kind of acting weird right now, so I'm just gonna show y'all exactly how I would do it right here. So basically, I usually grab this tool here at the top. It looks like a plus sign, right? And let's say the market did drop. Let me go back. Let's say the market did drop about right in here, right? I usually grab this and then I'll look to the right of it, and you can see the numbers over here, the 105, 759. All right. So if the market did drop from this point, I would usually drag both my trailing stops down to here, right? The 105, 759. And then I would simply just come to the trade. I would go ahead and click the pencil. And then right here, I would type that in, the 105 and then the 759. After I'm done with that, I would just click modify. I won't let me do it now because the market is not, you know, going down in that direction. But I would just click modify and then you're set. You're good. You're good to go on that. That's it, right? So y'all can see the market is still doing this thing. Like I said, you got to just kind of let the market do what it got to do. And yeah. So I'm gonna, you know, let this trade run, but that's how you do a trailing stop as far as when you're in profit. All right. But if sometimes like stuff like this, like I could have took the quick 300 if I wanted to, but just for the purposes of this video, I didn't. It's all good though. Like I said, with such a large account, even if I took a small L, it wouldn't even matter, to be honest. But I'm just gonna see what the market gonna do. It's still respecting the trend line, so I'll hold and we will see, and then I may be able to still trail in profit later on today. All right. Yo guys, so I'm back, and right now we are back up in profit. I'm just gonna go ahead and trail this first one. I'm gonna wait on the second one. It's kind of bouncing off the trend line again. We're trying to get it to break through to go ahead and continue down, but you know, we'll see what it does. But let me go ahead and trail this one. So like I told y'all earlier, this is what I do. So I usually I'll probably put it about right in here somewhere. Right, so I'll do 105, 823. And I'm using this number right here on the right hand side. So 105, 823 will come to this first one. And then I'll do, let me do it. Oh, it ain't gonna let me do it. I guess it ain't dropped far enough yet. Let me see. Let me try again. Let me do somewhere a little higher. Let me try this one right here. 105, 834. Hopefully let me do it. There we go. 105, 834. Boom. Modify. And this one is trailed. So I secured this profit right here all the way, so I don't got to worry about that trade no more. That's automatic. Now I just got to wait to see if it drops some more, and then if it does, then we'll get this trade trailed. But if not, then you know, we'll just have to see. But yeah, that's the trail right there, B. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna let this run and we're gonna see what we can do with this trade. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so peep this. News hit. Cooked. No, not really. I got a little $29 profit out of that one. This one got cooked, so I'm probably just gonna hop out on this one. It didn't get cooked bad. That was like $30. But it seemed like since news want to play around, and this trade been going forever, it's taking too long. But yeah, so that's how you trail. I'm gonna take that. I know y'all like, dang, you was up to 300. Yeah, I was, but whatever. It don't matter. You know what I'm saying? You see that count, so I still lit, duh. But yeah, so it already, I'm glad I did trail that one though. Got that up out of there. And then yeah, so shoot, it is what it is, but that's how you trail. And yeah, I might hop back in on a different position later, but market going super slow right now, so And what's today? And it's Monday, so we don't really trade too much on Mondays. You know what I'm talking about. But it is what it is. I'm out. Peace.